Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic and Coinbase. Now, remember, we have been talking about Coinbase partnering once again with Terra Classic, and once that happens, we are expecting a high burning rate from Coinbase. Also, Binance have been burning billions of Terra Classic coin. Now, Coinbase can burn up to 120 billion Terra Classic within 12 months. Now, Binance, of course, a lot of experts believe Binance can burn over 200 billion. If Binance can burn over 200 billion, I believe Coinbase can also burn over 100 billion coins. Now, Coinbase have great customers, millions of customers that can patronize, that can buy Terra Classic. Now, if Coinbase can burn at least 10 billion coins in a month, that will result about 120 billion. We are talking about 300 million Terra Classic burn in a day, within 250 million to 300 million. Now, right now, Terra Classic cannot achieve that level. Even with Binance, it's difficult to achieve that level. The reason is because of the global cryptocurrency that have been crashing down. When this prediction was made, when people started planning about this, everybody was expecting Terra Classic will burn out the many supply within 1 year. This was when crypto industry was benefiting, crypto industry was pushing higher, crypto industry was increasing. The market cap of crypto industry was trading with over 2 trillion 200 billion dollars. Even then, BTC alone have a market cap of about 1 trillion 150 billion dollars. But today we saw the global crypto market cap dropping below 1 trillion, dropping below 800 billion. So you can see a lot of people actually pull out money, pull out the investment from crypto industry. Of course, you are going to record a very low trading volume. So this have affected the plan that Terra Classic was going to burn over 1 trillion coins in a single year or even more. Now, Coinbase can burn 10 billion if coins like Binance, BNB, BTC, Ethereum will record high volume. So we are happy because these coins are bouncing back. Crypto industry is bouncing back gradually. So we believe that with the way crypto industry has been bouncing back, crypto industry is expected, market cap is expected to hit about $1.5 trillion very soon. Now it's trading at over $1 trillion. Crypto industry have gained about 400 to 500 billion dollars within the space of 3 months. See, so this is good news. So we are expecting more people to come in. We are expecting crypto industry before the ending of 2023 with a market cap of over $3 trillion before the end of 2023. And we'll have this high volume. Believe it, so many coins will benefit, including Terra Classic. And Coinbase, of course, believe will also list Terra Classic because they promised to do that, but I believe very soon I'll be seeing them listing this coin, and I believe they also accept the burning of Terra Classic coin. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decisions.